welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Oreo American buttercream. And it's a bit sweet, but it is really great for like a cookies and cream kind of a cake. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 6 to 8 cups or 750 to 1,000 grams of powdered sugar, about 1/4 cup or 75 milliliters of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, about 14 or 150 grams of Oreo cookies. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter until light and fluffy. Slowly beat in the powdered sugar. Mine was a bit dry, but that should resolve itself with beating. Add milk a tablespoon at a time to maintain consistency. Go ahead and beat as much as you like. The more you do, the fluffier the buttercream will be. Beat in vanilla. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Place Oreos in a plastic freezer bag. Using a rolling pin, beat the cookies into crumbs. You can use a food processor if you need the cookie crumbs very fine. This method works better if you want some chunks in it. Fold the cookie crumbs into the buttercream. I love the buttercream, but I have to warn you that it is very difficult to pipe the way I made it. If you need to pipe it, then please use a food processor. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.